In this class, let us learn moving coil galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device used to detect the presence of current. It consists of a rectangular coil PQRS having large number of turns. A soft iron cylinder is used as the core, and it is kept between the pole pieces of a powerful magnet. The pole pieces are concave in shape so that it produces a radial magnetic field. Since soft iron is a ferromagnet, it increases the strength of the magnetic field. The coil is suspended by a phosphor bronze strip. When a current carrying coil is kept in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque and the coil deflects. As the current increases, the deflection also increases. So this is the principle of moving coil galvanometer. This is the cross-sectional view of the galvanometer. The magnetic field is radial and is concentrated in the soft iron core. A pointer is attached to the coil, which moves on a circular scale as the coil deflects. The torque acting on the current carrying coil is given by NIAB, which deflects the coil, and so the torque is known as deflecting torque. Deflecting torque is NIAB. Here the torque is maximum as the plane of the coil is parallel to the magnetic field. As the coil deflects, a restoring torque acts, which is directly proportional to the angle of deflection phi. So the restoring torque is equal to K phi, where K is the torsional constant of the spring or the suspension wire. N is the number of turns of the coil and A is the area of the plane of the coil. At equilibrium, the deflecting torque is equal to restoring torque. So we can write NIAB is equal to K phi. Or the current through the galvanometer I is equal to K by NAB phi. K by NAB is a constant for a given galvanometer and is known as galvanometer constant G. It is also known as figure of merit of the galvanometer. So we can write I is equal to G phi or I proportional to phi. A galvanometer is highly sensitive. That is, it shows full-scale deflection even for a small current or for a small voltage. So sensitivity can be measured in terms of current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. Current sensitivity is defined as the deflection per unit current, phi by I. For a galvanometer, I is equal to K by NAB into phi. Therefore, current sensitivity phi by I is equal to NAB by K. Voltage sensitivity is defined as the deflection per unit voltage, phi by V. But V is equal to IR. Phi by I is the current sensitivity, so voltage sensitivity is equal to current sensitivity by R. or voltage sensitivity is equal to NAB by KR. So sensitivity of the galvanometer depends on number of turns, area of the coil, magnetic field, torsional constant and resistance of the coil. So sensitivity can be increased by increasing N, A or B and by decreasing K. But as the number of turns increases, the current sensitivity increases, but the voltage sensitivity may not increase. This is because the resistance of the coil increases with increase in the number of turns. Therefore, to increase the sensitivity, it is better to increase the magnetic field and decrease the torsional constant. The torsional constant K can be decreased by using suspension fibers made of phosphor bronze or quartz. Thank you.